So today we're going to be installing a Note 7 Samsung Experience port on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. As you guys remembered from the last video, that we have custom ROM this on MSM extended, I think based on Android 10, which kind of gives off Material UI, Material Express 3. And I used this ROM for a couple of days and I really like it, but there's like some bugs, like with the lock screen. Sometimes, as you guys can see, it's overlapping the taskbar, or however you let's just cut to the chase and install the the Samsung Experience Note 7 port. So I've been scrolling on XDA forums for about 45 minutes until I found this Note 7 port ROM, which shows exactly the exact one-on-one Samsung experience you get on the Note 7, except the experience of one. And hey, the link actually works, unlike the other custom ROMs. I'm gonna leave the links in the description for y'all, so you don't have to hassle looking through XDA forums for that ROM. After you have your file ready, you just put your phone in recovery mode. Just take the battery out. God damn. And then you just hit the volume up button and home button and power button until you see TWRP. There we go. And you click wipe, format data, yes, type in yes, and then the same exact process as the last video. I'm gonna do this process and I'm gonna be right back, guys, once we get the ROM actually installed, since y'all probably get bored of this process. After you got your file installed, you just click just swipe. There we go, it's installing. So after it's done, you just reboot the system and voila. And when it's done, you just click reboot system. Fingers crossed this doesn't boot loop. This is gonna take a while, so I'll be right back when the boot up animation starts. Uh-oh, it's boot looping. That's not a good sign. Oh goodness. Never mind, it's working. Oh my God. It had me for a second, but finally, no more bullshit troubleshooting. Guys, it took 6 minutes to get it on the setup screen, so let's just set this up really quickly and I'll be right back when I'm done with the setup and the Google account. Guys, no way, Samsung account does work on, that's crazy. And guys, we're set up and it actually thinks it's a Note 7, as y'all can see here. Samsung Galaxy Note 7, the SM-N300, N9300, and the Google Play Store already works. It's just updating, and let's install some apps and see how it performs compared to the other ROM. The other thing you guys might be curious of is what does this custom ROM has to offer. Well, I've installed a bunch of apps and then I saw like 3 apps that were pre-installed, so let's check them out. First is I can't really pronounce that since English isn't my first language, but synapse or something. Excuse the language. But this is supposed to be your CPU overclocking, which is interesting, actually. And the other app is probably just always on display settings. Oh, and the other thing, this has always on display, and it has the cool animation that the Note 7 has. As y'all can see, it's pretty. Those little details that just make the ROM feel good. And the other thing, it has the wallpapers from the original Galaxy Note 7. I set it to this one. As y'all can see, it's pretty sick. Now let's just test the app and we'll see the performance. This was the Geekbench 3 scores on the TouchWiz, so we'll compare it after we open the apps and see how it actually loads compared to the last ROM, which is MXM. Enough with the app, let's just... Oh, I don't want any copyright. So yeah, it's pretty great. As y'all can see, it's okay for if you're not used to a flagship in today's standard. This is pretty usable for like light gaming. Holy, there was so many apps open. Now let's try Instagram. The scaling is kind of messed up. I don't know why. Let me try relaunching the app. There we go. It's working. It is pretty laggy. Let's look at the reels. Yeah, the type of content. All right, next app. So Roblox didn't work, and some other apps. This was a pain in the ass to install all those 4 apps. I installed YouTube Music as Spotify is not supported, unfortunately, as it is running Android 6.0.1. And the phone is getting pretty warm. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Are you... Alright, this bullshit. And yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, the other thing that I really like is the animation of the S Pen. Like compared to TouchWiz. It's pretty responsive as well, as y'all can see. This deadass took 5 minutes to load fully, and now it's asking me for my age. Yep, UNC status. Continue. Guys, this is deadass running at 3 frames per second. That's so terrible. Enough with the pop-ups. God damn. Guys, I'm being serious. This is unplayable. All right. So I guess you can't even do gaming on it. The whole phone just froze. Oh my goodness. Guess I have to do the whole trick on it. There we go. Alright guys, we're back after restarting the whole thing. Next now, let's try actually the overclocking method. See how much, it's at 42 degrees. Yeah, it's about to get real warm. All right, let's start up Geekbench 3. Accept. Run benchmark. And we'll plug it in so it doesn't die. So we gotten 975 single scores and 2,869 multi-core. So it is way better than the official ROM, as y'all can see here. And guys, I forgot to mention, On the single score, the overclocked is way better, but on the multi-core, the original ROM is way better than the overclocked. And here are the scores without the overclocking. So it is way significantly worse than the other two. So yeah, it just sums up like how much of a difference it does, but it's not gonna be reliable. It might fry your CPU, as it might like switch off. So yeah. And if you guys are wondering, some Google apps do work and the camera works as well. So yeah, you won't be, but the aspect ratio is just wrong, as y'all can see here. So you can change it up to 13 megapixel and do 4K video. How do you do that? 4K. Yeah, some things don't work as properly, but yeah. Alright guys, let me know down in the comments if you want more custom ROM videos and what devices should I custom ROM and what devices you want to see me make a review on. And hit that sub button and that like button for more content like this. It really would motivate me to keep doing what I'm doing with custom ROMs, reviews, unboxings, anything you'd need. Alright guys, I'll see you later.